Sixth one, we want to find out the LCM of 15, 20 and 30. Okay, so what we will do, we will find out the prime factors of 15, 20 and 30. Okay, now 15, it comes in 3 steps. 3, 5 are correct? Quotient 3, 5 are 15. Now we have to divide 5 by 5. So 5 ones are. Okay. Now next, here we got 1, that means 4. Now 20. In 20 is divisible by 2. Here all, keep in mind students, here all prime factors must be there. We don't have to take the composite numbers. Okay. So now see here 2 tens are 20. Then again 10 it comes in 2 steps, 2 fives are and 5 ones are. Correct? Now this 30 divisible by 3, 3 tens are. Then 2 fives are and 5 ones are. Got it? Now we will write factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. See, 3 5s are 15 and prime factors. Prime factors of 20 is equal to 2 into 5. Next, prime factors of 30 is equal to 3 into 2 into 5. So now our work is to first find out the common factors which are there in all 3 numbers or any 2 numbers. Now see here, this 5 comes in all these 3 numbers. So therefore LCM of 15, 20, 30 is equal to 5. Common factor I have written. Then if you will see these 3 and these 3. Okay. 3 is there in both these 2 numbers common. That's so write one time only. Common factors we have to write one time. So 3 I will write one time. Now see here these 2 and these 2. One time. And now what is uncommon here? 2 remain. So that also we have to include. Okay. Other common things one time and uncommon also we have to include in that. Now do the multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30 and 30 2s are 60. So what is the LCM of 15, 20 and 30? 60. Followed? Now next is question number 7. Okay. Question number 7, word problem is there. Okay. In that word problem, what it is given here, I'll read word problem for you. 7 and B start from the same point. Sorry, question number 7. A and B start from the same point and in same direction on a straight long road. One long road is there. Okay. A and B start with the same point. 2 persons are there, A and B. They start from the same and they are traveling in one direction only. A paints a white mark every after 8 meters. After covering a distance of 8 meters, person A he puts white mark after 8 meters. And B paints a red mark after every 9 meters. And what the person B does after covering a distance of 9 meters, he put the red. A puts after 8 meters white mark and B puts red mark after 9 meters. After what distance from the start will there be the first instance of the red and white marks painted together? Means what will be the distance where first time red and white marks will appear together. That means we have to find out the shortest distance where both these marks will appear together. Now shortest distance means what? Least. That means we have to find out LCM, least common multiple of 8 and 9. Okay. So see here, because as A puts a white mark after 8 meters, so take down the factors of 8. So see here, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. See here, 2 4s are 8, again divide 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4, again divide 2 by 2, 2 1s are 2. Now next is 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, correct? Now therefore LCM of 8 and 9 is equal to, now here first what we have to write? Prime factors of 8, 2 into 2 into 2, and here prime factors of 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Students, can you say anything common here? Nothing. Nothing is not a single factor is common. So therefore LCM of 8 and 9 is equal to, if though common factors are not there, we have to write the all factors. That means multiply all factors. 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3. Now see here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 72. Correct? We got, this is the shortest distance where the red mark and white mark will appear at the same place. Okay? So what answer will be there? White and red mark will appear after 72 meters at first time. Okay, in this way, when there will be the things, find out the shortest or thinnest or whatever, that time when the words which gives a sense of small, this one, then we have to find out the LCM that time. And if the words are greater or whatever, then bigger and like this gives a sense of big things, then we have to find out the HCF, that is different, highest common factor, that I will explain you afterward. But LCM, how to find out that, did you understand? First find out the prime factors, see what are the common factors. That common factors we have to write one time only. Okay? And uncommon factors also we have to include, we have to multiply, and we have to find out the LCM. We have to write the LCM. Got it? Understood this word problem? Here is the 8th question. See, A, B and C go for a walk in a garden with a circular track around it. A takes 6 minutes. A takes 6 minutes to complete a track. To complete the one round, A takes 6 minutes. B takes 10 minutes. B takes 10 minutes and C takes 12 minutes. Okay, to complete the one round. They start walking on a track together from the same point and in same direction. If nobody stops in between, then after what time after the start will they be together at the starting point for the first time? Did you understand the meaning of this question? A, B and C are 3 persons. They start completing a circular round in a circular path. They start from same point and in one direction only, same direction only, without stopping. They are covering the distance. To complete one round, A takes 6 minutes, B takes 10 minutes, and C takes 12 minutes. Then at what time, first time they will be together, from where how they had started? They had started together, no? So when they will come together only, after how many minutes? At first time means the shortest time when they will come together. That we have to find out. Means again we have to find out the LCM. Okay. So what we will do? I will find out the factors of 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Now 10. Here all prime factors should be there. Again and again I am explaining. Okay. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now here 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now what we have to write down? Prime factors of 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Then prime factors of 10, 2 into 5, and prime factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Now what is our first this work to find out the common factor? See here 2. In all these 3 it comes. So one time only we have to write it. Then see 3. In these two numbers it comes. So that also we have to write one time only. 3 into. Now what are the uncommon? 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Now see here multiply. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 6. 10 3s are 30 and 32s are 60. So 60 what? Minutes. Correct? So after what distance? After what time they will be together? A, B and C will come together after 60 what? Now minutes, here minutes were there. So after 60 minutes. 60 minutes means, that is 60 minutes means 1 hour. Followed?